Did you know that according to attendanceworks.org, that over 7 million students miss at least 1 month of school every year? My name is Paul Summons, and as a former high school student, I had to watch some of my classmates fall victim to the attendance problems that they face that led to them dropping out of high school before graduation. So, what measures can be taken to improve graduation rates and attendance? More laws should be put in place to improve attendance to keep graduation rates up, to increase parent involvement, and to increase school environment safety as a whole. First thing that we should look at is that attendance improvement increases the chance of graduating. When we look at this issue, we must look at what the contributing factors consist of. Absences add up. Missing 2 days of school equals missing 2 days of school a month equals missing 10% of the school year. By sixth grade, the leading indicator of dropping out is chronic absence. Being absent in the first month of school often predicts poor attendance for the year. So why are students missing school? That brings me to my next point. The next thing we should look at is parent and mentor involvement. Mentors and parents must be involved. Parent and mentor involvement promotes positive student behavior that helps educators and motivates students to achieve. Students who are involved with mentors on a regular basis are 52% less likely to skip a day of school. They're 37% less likely to skip a class period, and 36% more likely to aspire and go to college and graduate from college. Finally, the communities and school environments are one of the biggest, if not the biggest factor in grade school attendance. Students who live in struggling communities with high poverty are 4 times likely to become chronically absent, and a lot of times this is from things that are out of their control. With that being said, schools must serve as a positive outlet for students in struggling communities. According to Arne Duncan, positive school climates not only minimize unnecessary suspensions and expulsions, but cut down on classroom disorder and motivates learning. As you can see, parent involvement and school environment improvement are at the top of the list when it comes to improving grade school attendance. Once again, more laws should be put in place to improve grade school attendance that will help graduation rates, parent and mentor involvement, and school environment as a whole. So ask yourself, what can you do to help students go to school in your community? Because 80% of the battle of graduating is just showing up to school.